Dash brings Agile project management to any kind of project. Agile means you get formal control, but with the flexibility to steer the direction of the project. On many projects, traditional schedules don't help because predicting tasks in advance is very difficult. With Dash, you set clear goals for the project by defining the outputs you'll produce and the contacts you'll meet. By outputs, we mean the things of value that the project produces, such as documents or key milestones. By contacts, we mean the people you need to meet or influence for a successful outcome. Goals tend not to change during a project, but the tasks can change often. The main principle of Agile working is to have a project rhythm, so you plan and complete work in repeating periods. So every Monday you might plan all the tasks you're going to do by the end of the week, and then repeat this every week. On the home screen you can see the focus list, and you can touch this to show the task list. The idea is that you commit to completing these tasks, and only these tasks, by the due date, not getting distracted by any others. The task plan shows all your focus tasks, those to do next, if you finish the focus tasks early, and all the rest. You can drag tasks to move them between these lists. You can also move tasks between the focus, next, and backlog lists by tapping these icons. When you have lots of tasks, it's easy to lose track of how they relate to the overall goals. Dash helps by allowing you to associate tasks with outputs or contacts. You can see these associations in the task list. You can also filter tasks to show only the ones that are associated with a particular output or contact. Lists help you organize tasks. The inbox is a built-in list where you can capture new tasks whenever you think of them. You can also add your own custom task lists. Dragging works on all these screens, so I can move a task from the inbox to my custom list simply by dragging. So now we've been through the basics, here is how you use the Agile features of Dash. Start by setting a deadline for your focus period. Now choose which goals you want to focus on. These will be highlighted under the Focus Areas section. Let's choose the outputs to focus on first. Tapping Outputs takes us to the output map in Focus View. The output map gives a big picture view of the scope of the project and how everything fits together. Each circle is an output that the project needs to deliver, along with a visual indication of its completeness. The orange diamonds are tasks associated with each output. Focus areas, like focus tasks, are shown with a star icon. By looking at how far through we currently are, we can decide which areas we should focus on. Simply tap on an output to add or remove it as a focus area. By setting the areas of focus, we can now decide which tasks we should also focus on. We could do this using the Tasks view, but we can also see tasks directly against an output. Let's add this task to our focus list. We can also add new tasks that will help our objective. When you see a star with a diamond, it represents a focus task. The goal should be to have chosen the areas of focus and to have focus tasks within each of those areas. If we're not quite sure of the end goal of an output, the list view shows the descriptions, which come as part of a template to help guide you. We can still access tasks from the same pop-up. Just tap an output in the list and tap the Tasks tab. Engaging with people can also be an area of focus. Contacts work in a similar way to outputs. The progress bar indicates how far through we are engaging with them on the project, reaching 100% when all meetings and contact are finished. The coloured dot highlights any concerns the contact may have in relation to the project. Decide who to focus on by tapping the focus stars. Focus tasks can be added to achieve the engagement, such as arranging meetings, preparing material, or writing up notes. Contacts can also be viewed as a list. helping you understand the level of engagement needed and completed so you can decide on the tasks. So we've now decided on the areas of focus and the tasks that we're going to focus on. As you complete tasks in the focus list, you can check them off. At the end of the focus period, you can track the progress you've made. When you select a task, it highlights the associated outputs or contacts which need updating. Similarly, selecting an area shows the associated tasks, so you can judge the percentage completion. If you've encountered an issue, you can set the status of the output. Once you've finished, you can generate a progress report to send out by email. Then you can start again, planning the focus areas and tasks for the next period. In summary, the Dash approach to Agile helps you organize tasks and focus on work that matters.